Alright, just really quick, this is on the F1 Ultra, but when you're doing your curved surface, you cannot do it combination with the rotary, but you can go, however, grab the rotary. Alright, so over here we have the tumbler on the rotary. We're going to mark it in a curved surface. So real quick, you line it up in here. On here, sorry. You're gonna go to framing. Now you actually have to adjust the material itself when you're doing the framing for a 3D curved surface. You cannot move the framing, at least on the F1 Ultra. So if I change the size here, hold on, let me show you. If I change this to say a little bit wider, it does stay right there. It stays framed. If we bring this back down to say the 50, and then if we shorten the length, it doesn't stay centered. You can see, kind of has its own. So if you're wanting to do this area, you might want to come in if you want this even on both sides. So you're gonna actually have to slide the RA2 over just a little bit this way while doing the framing. All right, say we stop our framing and then we like that, we just go to next and see here. So the area across here from left to right is going to stay the same. So we're actually going to, I'm just going to turn that down to the lowest possible, and that's going to be 3, 1, 2, or wait, here we go, yeah. All right, and then over here, change this to say, I don't know, I'll do 15, so that way you get the nice curvature measured. Because again, this point, and this point are all going to be the same all the way across. So just start measuring. And there you're going to see the dots just continuously move across the screen as it's doing its curved surface measure. Again, we're only doing 3 measurements going left and right, so it's actually making it a lot quicker. And then from here, all right, once we've finished the curve measure, you can see here we have a nice profile. And the reason why I did the 11 points is to see we have a nice curve there. Everything should have a chance to have a really nice engrave. So we just click done down here, and then as you can see here, this is going to be the area that we have engraved, and this is going to be the area that we put our artwork in. So just for example, we'll just pull some stuff out of the shape panel. Little monkey here. All right, so let's see, monkey and a lion. All right, so everything inside of this white box is where you're going to engrave, and it's going to be the same area that you've seen on the actual mug or tumbler that was being framed out. So then from here you just set your settings and go to process. Again, curved surface material, you're not going to have the pictures. That live framing is what's going to show you where you're going to actually have the engrave. Hope that helps.